In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you make $17,325 in commission with affiliate marketing every single month just by using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions every single month. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step in this video, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? Anyway, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is my affiliate marketing dashboard. It's not screenshots, guys. I can click over here. This is my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, sub affiliates, and so on, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, so step number one, go to Google, okay, and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So what you will do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable, okay? What you will do, just click here on join now, okay? And here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You guys can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and you should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote with free traffic to earn commissions, okay? So I will share with you guys my methods that I'm using to find profitable services that I'm promoting using free traffic, okay? So what we will do is we will go to YouTube, okay? So step number two, open your YouTube account like this. Go to your YouTube homepage, okay? Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps. There is so much traffic. Millions of people every single month are using YouTube, scrolling on YouTube. They are searching for services, searching for products, searching for topics, and so much more, okay? People are making a lot of money from YouTube, okay, with affiliate marketing. So what you will do next, you will click on the search and you will ask question. So for example, you will ask like, let's say how to run Facebook, for example, how to run Facebook ads, and here you go. You just need to ask question. You can ask any question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now, okay? This is from report search prediction. That's what people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to run Facebook ads, and those people who are searching for those topics, they have money and they don't know how to run Facebook ads. So they have money, so they will be interested to invest money if you will give them good service, okay? So how to run Facebook ads, for example. So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search and search for Facebook ads like this. I want you to pay a close attention in this step, okay? Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so those people have experience, they are top rated sellers, they will create campaign and run Facebook ads for those people who are searching for how to run Facebook ads on YouTube. Okay, that's why we choose this service. Okay, so if that makes sense, you need to promote services that people are searching for. I agree with you guys that not all those people will be interested to buy those services, but we have a lot of traffic from YouTube. If just like if we have millions of people searching for those topics, if we can get just like 10 people per day will buy this service from you, you can make a lot of commissions. Even just 5 people, that's really a lot of commissions, a lot of money. Okay, anyway, let's go back to Fiverr. Let's choose good seller. We need to choose good seller. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. Like I said, choose top rated seller, pro sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, those people will trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. You guys can see that this seller has 19 orders in queue. It's almost 20 orders in queue. People are already paying for this service. People are already buying this service. Those people who keep saying in the comment it's not working. If it's not working, why the seller has 19 orders in queue? Which people will buy? Which people are paying for this service? Of course, those people who are searching for how to run Facebook ads. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller. Okay, you will copy his profile link. So click on his profile link like this over here and click on copy the link of his profile. Okay, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. So what you will do next, you will click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will scroll down. This seller has a video that's really good. Let's check his video. So his video.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. In this gig, my Texas-based internet marketing firm helps your business turn their likes into more leads by utilizing Facebook.
That's really good. This seller has video explaining how he will help those people to run Facebook ads for their businesses to make more money or grow their businesses or anyway. Okay, so what you will do, you will double click on the video and you will click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it ads, let's say for example ads Facebook. Click on save and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to Google and you need to search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, so just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload this video about Facebook ads. Open, and this video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on this video like this and here you go, your video will be over here like this, as you can see. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Click over here on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. Okay, so just make sure to use good text that it's clear and normal, just normal text. Okay, let me show you how. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use. For example, I will use this one, and your text will be in the front of your video like this. I will delete this one, and I will keep just using this one. I will decrease the font size of my text, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description, like this. Okay, it's super easy. I will decrease the font size of this text like this. Go over here to elements, click on elements, and scroll down. Let me show you. So just scroll down and go over here to shapes. Okay, and choose this one like this. Click on color over here and choose black color. So I'm making this video, guys, easy for you, step by step. Put this shape behind your text like this, and here you go. Let's check now. So it's good. So
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome.
People who will watch this video, people who are searching for how to run Facebook ads, they will watch this video on YouTube. They will see this. Check link in my description. They will check our YouTube description, and we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. After you finish, go back to your YouTube homepage, open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, use this title, how to run Facebook ads. For example, you can use how to run Facebook ads for businesses, okay? Or just this one, how to run Facebook ads. You need to use the same title that people are using to search for this topic, okay? Don't add or change anything, just copy and paste how to run Facebook ads in your YouTube description. Put this sentence. If you are looking for how to run Facebook ads for your businesses, click in my link below over here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because you have a new account. If you have old account, you should see this one. If you don't have, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, if you have new account. So for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option over here. So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to your YouTube channel, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Start uploading videos that people are searching for. Use YouTube search to search for topics and to see what people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for services related to those topics that people are searching for. Start promoting those services on YouTube, and you can make a lot of commission if you stay consistent, if you create good content, if you optimize your videos, if you avoid what's not working and double what's working. You guys can increase your commissions and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube, okay? And that's it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, I already have an affiliate marketing course that is covering everything from like it's from zero to hero. I'm sharing all my experience, all my methods, all my strategies. How do I get free traffic? How do I create content? And so much more. If you are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my YouTube description of this video, and they will get back to you guys, okay? Please, just serious people who want really to start this business and to take this business seriously and stay consistent and work hard, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.